In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write off an invoice in Xero. Navigating financial tasks in Xero can sometimes seem complex, but breaking it down step by step can significantly simplify the process. Let's delve into how you can write off an invoice efficiently and keep your accounting records in order. Begin by logging into your Xero account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your main dashboard. This is essentially your home base for managing all aspects of your finances within Xero. From here, the next step is to click on the Sales tab. This is where all your sales transactions are housed, including any invoices that are due or overdue. Upon clicking Sales, you'll want to navigate to the Invoices section. Invoices are the backbone of your sales records, and finding the one you wish to write off is crucial. Once you're in the Invoices section, look for the Awaiting Payment tab. This tab specifically filters out those invoices that have been issued but not yet settled. It's a handy tool to quickly locate any outstanding invoices that might need to be written off. Now scroll through your listing of awaiting payments until you find the particular invoice you need to address. Look for the customer or client's name associated with that invoice. Click on their name to bring up the details of their outstanding invoice. This action provides a deeper dive into the specifics of the transaction, allowing you to view all relevant information before proceeding. Next, you need to focus your attention on the upper right corner. You'll notice a button marked by 3 dots. This icon is often referred to as the More Options button. Clicking on this will expand a drop-down menu where you will find various actions related to invoice management. From this menu, select Create and Apply Credit. By doing so, you're essentially indicating that a credit is being created to nullify the outstanding amount of this particular invoice. Once you've selected this option, the next screen will guide you to approve the credit note. It's important to ensure that all details align with the original invoice to maintain accurate records. Review the information thoroughly, then click on Approve. By finalizing this process, you're formally writing off the invoice, balancing your accounts, and reflecting the change in your financial statements. That's it. You've successfully written off an invoice in Xero. This process helps maintain the accuracy and integrity of your financial records and ensures that you're only touching accounts that are necessary, keeping your business financially sound. If you have any questions or find yourself in need of further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for support or check out additional resources available on Xero's website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful for you today.